Meaning of the English idiom acquired taste. An acquired taste is something that you do not like at first, but that you begin to like after trying it a few times. Something that a lot of people do not like when they first experience it, but that they often start liking after they have experienced it more times. Something you don't appreciate immediately, but that you learn to like. Usage of idiom. Many things can be described as an acquired taste. For example, someone might say that jazz music is an acquired taste. In this way, it is similar to the idiom grows on you. Jazz music is an acquired taste. Jazz music grows on you. However, the idiom acquired taste is most often applied to food. Most people don't like caviar when they first try it. It's an acquired taste. More examples of use. I didn't always like scotch. It's an acquired taste. I can't believe you eat raw oysters. They're an acquired taste. You have to keep trying them. People who say they hate to exercise don't realize that exercise can be an acquired taste. The more you do it, the more you enjoy it. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since the 1800s. The word acquired is used in the sense of something one learns or develops, and while the word taste is used primarily to refer to food, it can refer to anything that someone likes or enjoys, such as one's taste in music or their taste in movies. Musical theater can be an acquired taste.